Guess the right sentence. Which one is right sentence? Sit in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Which one is right sentence? Fasten the seat belt. Tie the seat belt. Fasten the seat belt. Which one is right sentence? I am riding the car. I am driving the car. I am driving the car. Which one is right sentence? I am slowing the truck. I am slowing down the truck. I am slowing down the truck. Which one is right sentence? Let me turn on the AC. Let me open the AC. Let me turn on the AC. Which one is right sentence? Put petrol in the bike. Fill the bike with petrol. Fill the bike with petrol. Which one is right sentence? I am honking the horn. I am giving the horn. I am honking the horn. Which one is right sentence? Let's go out from the car. Let's get out of the car. Let's get out of the car.
To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.